Hi, this is a Honda City petrol 5th generation, top model ZX automatic, and I am going to be cleaning the mass airflow sensor. It's very easy. This is the air box. You just unscrew 2 screws, simple Phillips head screws, like this one, and then you unclip this by pressing down and pulling out, and then just take out the mass airflow sensor. You can see it's a small rectangular thing, and those are the 2 sensors over here. You can see one from here and then another one over there. What you need to do next is use some throttle body cleaning solution, something like that, or isopropyl alcohol spray. Just keep on spraying it for a few seconds. I'll just show you in a second, and it cleans it up really well. So there we have it. Let's take some spray directly onto the sensors. We let it dry for some time. There's plenty of sunlight here right now, and we'll let it dry for some time, put it back on, and then start the engine. So it's dried up now. It's really dry, really clean. Put it back in. Easy job. Connect the sensor, clips on, and then 2 screws, Phillips head. Put them on, and then you can start the engine. I recommend doing this once a year with your oil service, so that any dust or anything goes off and your engine runs in optimal condition.